Once upon a time, there was a poor farmer named John. He lived in a village with his wife and 2 children. He had a small plot of land where he grew vegetables. His 2 buffaloes supplied milk for the family. John and his family were happy, and they always thanked God for what they had. The children grew older. John needed more money to send them to school. He and his wife decided to sell one of their buffaloes. They were sad to part with the loyal animal that served them for many years. But they had no other option. The next morning, John set out for the cattle market in the town with his buffalo. On the way, he met a man with a horse. The man said,
"Hey buddy, I'm looking to sell my horse. Would you be interested in trading it for your buffalo?"
John thought that was a good idea, and he happily gave them his buffalo. But soon he discovered that the horse was lame. He felt disappointed and continued walking. Soon, a man came with a cow. John told the man what had happened. The man reassured John, saying,
"No problem. Take my cow and give me the lame horse in return."
John was very happy with the man's kindness. Soon, John realized that the cow was blind in one eye. He felt disheartened. He sat down under a tree, unable to decide what to do. Then a man came that way with a goat. He offered to exchange the goat for John's cow. John agreed, but afterwards found out that the goat was sick. Sad and confused, John next exchanged his goat for a hen. It was evening. John was hungry and tired. He sold the hen for a few pennies and bought some food to eat. As he was about to start, an old beggar walked up to him.
"I haven't had any food for many days. Can you please give me something to eat?"
The beggar asked. John felt sorry for the beggar. He gave all the food to the beggar. John returned home hungry, tired, and without a penny in his pocket. John's wife and children were not happy with him for losing the buffalo and making no money. His wife said,
"You did the right thing. We must never turn away a hungry person."
The family went to bed after dinner. When they woke up the next morning, they were amazed at what they saw. There stood in front of John's house a line of animals. A young buffalo, a healthy horse, a cow, a goat, and a hen. There was also a bag of gold coins. After a few moments of surprise, they realized what had happened. John's wife said,
"I am sure that all this is the beggar's reward for your kindness.
John's family had no more worries, and they lived happily. Moral: being kind and helping others, even in times of hardship, and when you have little yourself, can lead to unexpected blessings and happiness.